Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will see the histology of large intestine and appendix. Now this is the transverse section of large intestine seen under microscope, and here we can see the mucosa. So this is the mucosa which is lined with simple columnar epithelial cells. The vacant spaces are shown over here. These are denoting the goblet cells between them, and here the mucosal folds and villi are absent, and the lamina propria is filled with these intestinal glands. So these are the huge amount of intestinal glands, also known as crypts, which are straight, longer when compared to the small intestine, and these glands are again lined with simple columnar cells with goblet cells and neuroendocrinal cells and the stem cells. Now beneath the lamina propria we see the muscularis mucosae. So this is the layer of muscularis mucosae, and below that we see this submucosa, which is made up of connective tissue, blood vessels, nerve plexus. The nerve plexus here is known as the Meissner's plexus, and also the lymphatics are found. Here we can see this is the blood vessels, and these are the nerve plexus which are found in the submucosa. Then beneath the submucosa, the outer layer is the muscularis externa, which is made up of inner circular and outer longitudinal muscle coat. So this is the inner circular muscle coat, and below that you will find the outer longitudinal muscles. These outer longitudinal muscles, these are arranged in thick bands which are termed as tinea coli. Then outermost layer is made up of serosa, which is lined with mesothelium, that is the simple squamous cells. So this is the transverse section of the large intestine seen under microscope. Now this is the diagram that you can draw in your histology files. This is the diagram for the large intestine TS. Here again we see all the 4 layers of the large intestine. Then we have the appendix. This is the transverse section of appendix which is shown, and here we can see these are the intestinal glands which are lined with simple columnar cells. These intestinal glands, these are projecting into the lamina propria. Then in the lamina propria we also see the lymphatic nodules which are arising from the lamina propria and enters up to the submucosal layer. Then beneath the intestinal glands we find the muscularis mucosae layer. So this is the muscularis mucosae layer. It is very disrupted at places where lymphatic nodules are extending up to the submucosa. So this is the submucosal layer which is containing your connective tissue, blood vessels, nerve plexus, that is the Meissner's plexus, and also the lymphatic nodules which are extending from lamina propria up to the submucosa. Then outside it we find the muscularis externa. So this is the muscularis externa layer, which is again made up of inner circular and outer longitudinal muscle layers. In between these 2 layers we find the myenteric plexus, also known as Orbeck's nerve plexus. The outermost layer, this is the serosa, and it is again lined with simple squamous cells, which is the mesothelial cells. Then this is the diagram which we can draw in the histology files. This is the diagram for appendix TS. Here we again see all the 4 layers of the appendix. I hope you understand well. Thanks for watching.